I'm attorney Pressley Henningsen with RSH Legal. After your loved one has fallen in an Iowa nursing home, you may be concerned about broken bones or serious bruises. But you should also be aware that your loved one may have suffered a traumatic brain injury. Here are 3 simple questions you'll need the answer to if you suspect a potential brain injury. Number 1, what is a traumatic brain injury? A traumatic brain injury usually results from a violent blow or jolt that causes damage to the brain. A common myth is that someone has to hit their head to suffer a brain injury. This is not true. You do not have to hit your head to suffer a brain injury. A simple jolt to the body is enough to cause damage. Even if your loved one has not hit their head in a fall, they could still have suffered a brain injury. There are a couple of signs of a brain injury that you can watch out for in your loved one. These might include additional confusion or forgetfulness or agitation, which was not present before the fall. Headaches, vomiting, dizziness, changes in mood or personality, slurred speech. If your loved one is experiencing any of these symptoms and you're concerned, they need to see a doctor as soon as possible. If traumatic brain injuries are not treated, they can lead to permanent damage or even death. Even mild traumatic brain injuries, like concussions, need to be treated quickly and appropriately. Number 2, how does a brain injury happen in an Iowa nursing home? Brain injuries are too common in Iowa nursing homes. Residents are more at risk for falling and hurting themselves for a variety of reasons. Being over-medicated or environmental hazards like slippery floors or bad lighting are common reasons. Falls also occur because of the staff inattentiveness, specifically because of understaffing at a facility. Staff members are so overworked sometimes that they don't have the time to help each resident with all of their needs. This means residents may try to get up on their own to go to the bathroom or reach for a glass of water, which can lead to them falling and potentially to a brain injury. And number 3, do you need to hire an Iowa nursing home abuse attorney? Accidents happen. Sometimes residents get hurt despite staff doing their best to prevent it. However, there are other times when brain injuries happen because of staff neglect or abuse. If you believe one of your loved ones have suffered a traumatic brain injury because of neglect or abuse, it's a good idea to speak with a knowledgeable nursing home attorney. An attorney can analyze the situation and give you advice on what to do next. If you'd like a free, no obligation case evaluation by one of our experienced Iowa nursing home abuse attorneys, call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283. RSH Legal, fighting for fairness.